Is it ever a good decision to purchase a home for sale by the owner? Just like everything, there are pros and cons of a for sale by owner deal. You could save money because you won't be competing against so many other buyers. Homes that are for sale by owner don't get nearly as much exposure to the market, so it limits the number of buyers who are seeing it. The other positive is that you can communicate directly with the seller, which makes negotiations much more straightforward. But this also means there's more work for you. You'll need to navigate and manage the financing process, the inspections, the legal documents for the sale, and the title work all on your own. If neither of you are familiar with the legalities of buying and selling a home, you will probably run into some complications. If you do decide to buy a home from the owner without any real estate agents involved helping to navigate the process, you should definitely hire an experienced real estate attorney who can protect your interests during the process. I'm Dawn.damico. If you're searching for a partner and advocate to provide you with the best experience, call me today or click the link to connect.